Welcome to my video that features bird that can be seen in urban Singapore. I hope you enjoy watching. The first bird is the black-naped oriole. The tail and wings of this bird have yellow tips. The bill is deep pinkish. Black-naped orioles can be found in South Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, the Philippines, and Singapore. They are the only orioles in Singapore. Their diet consists of insects, and it has been recorded that they also feed on a range of berries. The second bird is the Javan myna. It is also known as the white-vented myna. It is mainly black. The wings are brownish black, and the primaries have white pieces. This bird is native to Bali and Java and has been introduced to Singapore. These birds are omnivorous and eats seeds, fruit, nectar, insects, and human waste. It is often found in large groups. Javan mynas are bold and not very afraid of humans. On my experience, if they have some interest on your place, it will keep coming back. And if they feel threatened, it will make a sound to alarm the other birds of that group and flees quickly. But still, they will come back later. The third bird is the spotted dove. This bird is a small and somewhat long-tailed pigeon. Their diet consists of grass seeds, grains, fallen fruits, and seeds of other plants. They occasionally forage on the ground. The fourth bird is the pied imperial pigeon. It is a relatively large pied species of pigeon. On my research on this bird, I found these birds are fruit eaters, eating from tropical trees, palms, vines, and bushes. The next bird is the Asian quail. This is a male quail which is almost entirely black aside from its red eyes. On my research, this bird is a member of the cuckoo order of birds that is native to Singapore. This bird is often heard than seen from dawn with a high-pitched coo mating call. This is the female Asian quail. Its body is heavily spotted and streaked in white and rufous. What we are seeing is presumably the mating courtship of the quail. The male, which is below, is making the sound toward the female, which is on the upper branch of the tree. The male is calling the attention of the female. The courtship seems to consist of call by the male to the female and a dance choreography of both the male and the female. What a wonderful and interesting sight to enjoy watching from my house window. So, what can we do with this wonderful gift of sighting but to love the one who gave us? Praise Jah forever and ever. Thank you for viewing until the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Hopefully there will be more different birds that I can video and share again. Until then, goodbye for now. 谢谢你。